Well, YouTube, Captain Paul here, and today I'm walking around the Hatteras. I just want to do this quick 3-minute video just telling you where we're at with this boat. And right now, I've just walked in through the pilot house. I've been in the engine room all day with the mechanics. Let me take you down there and show you what's going on down there. Fuel in the ray cores. They had the valve covers off today. You can see the bolts here for the valve covers. They had those off, and they've added oil to the engines. The engines are oiled up. And I believe they're all primed with fuel ready for tomorrow morning when we go to start the engines. So that's where we're at down here in the engine room. And it looks like, I'm hoping that everything goes smoothly. Brand new exhaust. Everything's brand new on these engines. They will be 100% zero timed out. They're going to put new hobs in here and literally zero time the motors. I did the calculations today. I've got about 5,000 miles to go on it between going over to the Panama Canal and then up to where it has to go in the West comments Coast. Too. What do you guys think it cost to move a 65-foot boat like this going through the Panama Canal? That means paying the fees in the Panama Canal, the price for fuel, and I'll give you a hint. The fuel, this thing gets about a mile to the gallon. It's about 6,000 miles, so, and I guess the fuel at $5 a gallon, so it's going to burn about $30,000 just in fuel alone. It's about 600 hours on the engine. That is approximately five and a half oil changes. And right now, as you can see, the floors, the batteries, and these are just the house batteries. These are not our engine start batteries. Those are all installed, ready to go. The electronics are all up and on. So tomorrow, like I said, it's just putting in the water, and then we got to get all these batteries mounted. And then go through the air conditioners. I turned the refrigerator on today, and the reason I did that is because I wanted to start cooling down. I want to be able to start packing it for the trip. If we're going to go, let's go. You know what I'm saying? So tomorrow we'll get it over there on the dock. We'll get it plugged in. We get our AC guy in here to check the ACs, and then we it's off to the races, getting this thing cleaned up, put back together. And it looks bad, but it really isn't. I think it's just literally we have about a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, and then I'm going to haul Pete out here, and we will get stuff put away and things like that. So I'm a little nervous about tomorrow, and I'm also a little excited about tomorrow. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Aboard this 65-foot Hatteras. Look, the sun's getting ready to set here. Man, these were this is history. This is 1981. They only built, I think, 5 or 6 of these. The 65. Somebody in the comments, let me know what you come up with doing a little research. All right, guys, just a beautiful evening out here in the Florida Keys. Anyway, I appreciate everything. And we got a lot of testing to do this week. Super jacked up about it. Also, I'm nervous on another point. I'm getting ready to get this trip started here. I've never gone through the Panama Canal, so I'm excited, but I'm also nervous at the same time. Anyway, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. Can't do this channel without you guys. And make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.